How y'all doing today? Today we're going to be making some fried cabbage out on the Blackstone Griddle. Normally fried cabbage around here is made with just cabbage and bacon, but I'm going to be adding some more ingredients to it. We're going to use this whole head of cabbage, this whole sweet onion, and a bell pepper because I had that in the fridge and I need to use it, and some beef kielbasa sausage. And you can use any kind of sausage you want, and we're also going to be using some bacon. Probably just use about half the package of bacon there. So I'm going to go ahead and chop all these vegetables up because I don't think y'all really need to see that because I'm not a very good chopper. So I got the onions and the peppers chopped up. I just sliced them up in strips like that. You can really slice them up however you want. And cabbage, just sliced it up like that. And I removed the stem or the core, whatever you call it. You can actually eat that, but I usually just remove it. Then you just want to break it up a little bit. I'm going to start getting some bacon going. I just got the griddle on low. I'm going to cook probably about half this package of bacon, or heck, I might cook it all, I don't know. I just went ahead and put that whole pack of bacon on it, figured I'd cook it all. So I'm just going to let it cook on low. Bacon is coming along pretty good. I done flipped it once. I'm just going to cook it until it gets nice and crispy. Bacon's done, so I'm going to pull it off, let it drain on some paper towels. We got all this bacon grease. I'll go ahead and throw the cabbage on. Scoot this cabbage over here. And I'll go ahead and throw the onions and peppers right over here to this side. Add some pepper. Get that pepper all over it. Pepper it real good. We'll add some salt to it. Some garlic powder. Dust it over it. Now let's start mixing it. Make sure you get all that bacon grease. Want to get all of it coated in that bacon grease real good. Just going to spread it out even like that, and I'm just going to let it sit there and cook. Got it over about medium heat. I'll let it cook for a couple minutes, and then I'll stir it. Been cooking for a couple minutes, and I'm going to add this right here, this Heaven Made Products Amazing Cajun on it. Might add a little bit of a spice and maybe a little Cajun flair. A little dusting over it there. I have to break out the other spatula. Just going to give it a good old mix. This stuff's going to render down a lot. Give it a mix and just kind of spread it out. We want this cabbage to kind of caramelize a little bit. Been going a couple more minutes and I ain't messing with it. I'm just letting them cook. Every couple minutes I just kind of stir it around. Just like that. I ain't real good with two spatulas, but just spread it out, let it go for a few more minutes, and then I'll do the same thing. Cabbage is starting to soften up a little bit. I'm going to give it one more good stir here. Well, I'm going to give it more than one stir, but I'm going to move it over to this side right here. Make some room to go ahead and throw the sausage on there. Slice the sausage up in just coins like that. I'm going to throw it right here. Try to get a little color on that sausage. Just spread it out there. Stir cabbage. I'm giving this cabbage a stir about every 30 seconds or so. The sausage. Oh yeah, got some nice color on it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and mix it all together. Now here's the bacon. Let's just go ahead and add all this bacon up in there. Pretty crunchy. We'll just crunch it up in there. And give it a mix. Try to chop that bacon up a little bit. Now our fried cabbage is done. Cabbage is tender. Got some nice caramelization on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off. Alright guys, right here is what it looks like. Fried cabbage. Don't look too pretty, but I'm gonna tell you what. Sure is some mighty fine stuff, I tell you. Got a nice little Cajun kick with that amazing Cajun. Please like, comment, subscribe, tell all your friends to subscribe, share the videos. Let's try to get 10,000 likes on this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Cheers.